What was the positive?
The first one was positive and it was love.
And what was the emotion?
Sadness.
So what's happening here with Eve is her sadness is connected to love. So whenever Eve's not feeling loved, yeah, she go into a state of sadness because she's been programmed through life that when you're sad, you get love. Does this make sense? Yeah? Yeah, I had the exact same thing with my partner. And what's happening, Eve, is so there's been stuff through childhood, which you're already picking up, where you've been sad and that was the time that you got the love that you've always wanted. But you had to be sad to get that love. So you've connected the feeling of sadness to the feeling of love. Yeah? So until you deal with that connection and reprogram and shift that connection, you're always going to go through this sadness and love juggle.